Your first step is going to be to prep your workpiece with this dovetail. You'll see here the slot, which is for our locating pin. Once you have this dovetail on here, you can then load it onto your dovetail fixture. Now, these spring-loaded clamps, as you're tightening them, it's going to push that dovetail underneath that angled solid shoulder. So it's pushing it under and gripping it straight down. Going to tighten both sides. Now you have complete access around all 5 sides of your workpiece. Mill up to 5 sides in just one load. Now, one really great thing about our products is, let's say you have a 6.5 inch cube block on here. And maybe your next application, the parts are much smaller. Maybe they're too small to put on this 1.5 inch dovetail fixture. What you can do, instead of unmounting this from your machine and getting a smaller fixture on there, you can grab one of our smaller dovetail fixtures. So right here you can see the difference in size, which has a dovetail under it. Pop that right on top of your fixture, tighten it. Now you have a smaller size dovetail fixture in your machine. If you want to hold multiple parts at once, that's not a problem. Instead of using this one single smaller dovetail fixture on here, you can grab our Raptor nest. We have a couple different styles of these. You can see them in our catalog. This one in particular has a dovetail right under it. So you're going to throw that right on top of your fixture, tighten both sides, and in a matter of seconds, you have a 4-piece fixture. Load it up, let it run. Each customer is going to receive a dovetail prep card with their dovetail fixture. So they're going to have all the instructions that they need to get that exact size dovetail for whichever fixture they purchased. Now, sometimes you're going to get that comment or concern of having to do that step, having to do that prep work before getting to their part. Once they get through their first application, they're going to realize how much it simplified their job, and it's not going to be an issue anymore. But one solution to that would be TCI Precision Metals. TCI Precision Metals is a company that is now offering Raptor Ready blanks. So you have to order your material anyways, might as well order it prepped. You'll need 30-degree angled dovetail cutters. Ours are made out of solid carbide, and we have 3-fluted and 4-fluted. You have 2 other options. If you're working on softer materials like aluminum or brass, we have uncoated cutters. Or if you're working on some harder materials, we also have coated cutters. Our dovetail cutters have a unique feature where they're not only going to give you that angle, but they're also going to put a flat on the very edge of your dovetail, both sides. And as for the speeds and feeds, you'll find that on the back of each dovetail prep card. Next is getting that dovetail fixture onto your machine. When it comes to mounting, we have a long list of solutions for you. We have adapters and risers that will fit to your Haas, your Hercos, your DMG Moris, your Mazaks, your Matsuras. The list goes on from there.